morning students. Today we are going to solve question number 3 and 4 of exercise 4.3 chapter 4. Question number 3 says solve the following equation. This type of question we have already solved in previous videos. So let us go and solve that again, the similar type of question. Here first we will this 5 which is in multiplication we can take to the other side, but I want you to solve the other way. Open the bracket, so we will get 5p minus 5 into 2, 10. Now keep 5p over here only. This minus 10, if we transpose over there, it will go that side and become plus 10. So we will get 5p is equal to 14. Now 5 which is in multiplication we will take that side, so it will divide, so we will get 14 divided by 5. This is our answer. Now part B, minus 4 is equal to 5 into p will give me 5p, minus into plus will give me minus, 5 2s are 10. Therefore 5p we will keep as it is, minus 10 we will transpose this side, so we will get plus 10 to the LHS. In RHS we will get 5p. So eventually we will get 5p is equal to minus 4 plus 10 will become plus 6. Therefore p is equal to 6 divided by 5. Moving to third part number C. C is having 16 is equal to 4 plus 3 into bracket t plus 2. Therefore 16, this 4 which is in plus, it will come this side and become minus, so we will get 16 minus 4, and this 3 we will open the bracket, so we will get 3 into t will 3t plus 3 2s are 6. Now 16 minus 4 is 12, plus 6, if it comes this side it will become minus, so is equal to 3t. Therefore 12 minus 6 is 6 is equal to 3t. 3 which is in multiplication, if it comes this side it will divide, so we will get 3 1s are and 3 2s are, so we will get t is equal to 2. So I have solved 3 part. It is having 5 parts. 2 parts you are supposed to solve on your own. Try yourself. Now moving to the question number 4. Question number 4 says they have given you solution. Till now what we are supposed to do, they have given us equation and we find solution, right? They have given us equation, we find solution. Now they have given us solution, x is equal to 2. We are supposed to construct 3 equation starting with x is equal to 2, whose solution is 2. We are supposed to construct that equation. So we will write here x is equal to 2, right? First what we will do, we will multiply both side by 3. We will write multiplying both side by 3. Therefore we will write so multiplying 3 both side we will get 3x is equal to 2 3s are 6. Now next we will write adding 2 both side we get 3x plus 2, this side plus 2 and also that side plus 2, so we will get 3x plus 2 is equal to 8. Does it look like an equation? Yes. So we will write therefore it is a required equation. While multiplying or while adding or subtracting or dividing, we should do the same thing which we are doing in LHS, we will do in RHS also. That's why I have written multiplying both sides, adding both sides. Whatever we do, either we do addition, multiplication, subtraction or multiplication, or division, we will do both the sides. Now we have got this equation, but does it give us the solution x is equal to 2? Let us see. We will put x is equal to 2 in LHS. This is the verification step, students. Verification steps, so that you can understand the equation which we got is the right equation. LHS is equal to 3x plus 2. Instead of 3 we will write 2. So we will get 3 2s are 6 plus 2 8. And what is 8? It is RHS, which is equal to RHS. This thing you must verify in rough page so that you can understand that the equation which you have given is right one. Now moving to the second equation, because they have told us to write 3 equation, so I am writing second equation. X is equal to 2 was given. Last time we have multiplied, this time I will divide. So dividing both side by 2, we get whatever number you want to take, you can take. It is not that you take only 2. Therefore dividing both sides, so here I am dividing x divided by 2. In RHS we will divide 2 divided by 2. Therefore we will get x divided by 2 is equal to 1. Now let us subtract this time. Subtracting minus 5 or subtracting 5, sorry, subtracting 5 both side, we get x divided by 2 minus 5 is equal to 1 minus 5. So we will get, therefore x divided by 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. This is our equation, which is our required equation. As told in first equation, try to put x is equal to 2 over here. You will get your answer as minus 4 in LHS. And try to solve, you will get LHS is equal to RHS. If so, then the equation is true. Now giving third equation, let us do something different. X is equal to 2, it is given, so this time we will multiplying both side by 4. We get 4 into x is 4x and 2 4s is 8. Now dividing both side by 7, we get 4x divided by 7 is equal to 8 divided by 7. This is our equation. You can go further also. Further you can do adding 2, subtracting 2, you can do, which is our required equation. So I have solved question number 4, part A. Now part B, I want you all to practice yourself and bring some equation. We will meet with new question in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.